Alrighty, this is the 17.5 Amain. We have CORY Parsons out front, followed by Chad, Cory Record, DAVE VERA. We got a car upside down. It's clear, it's clear.
Nice driving, guys.
5 minutes left.
So you're running with CORY Parsons, Chad Peets, Cory Record, Brian Larkin. That's your top four. Dave now in fifth. CORY Parsons' last lap by was an 18.9. That time a 19. Cory Record with an 18.8. Brian with a 19 flat. Dave Vera with an 18.9. Chad with a 21.6. That's your top five. The all-white car cross start finish is your leader. That's CORY Parsons. The green car right behind him is Cory Record.
4 minutes left.
So your top four drivers still very close on the track, heading around through the S's. That's second, or third and fourth. Around the sweeper, onto the back straight. Here comes first, second, third and fourth, across start finish. Fifth, sixth, seventh, not far behind. Cory Record starting to make up time on CORY Parsons. Now just less than half a second behind him. That's the green and white car around the sweeper onto the back straight. That's first and second. CORY Parsons, a mirror full of CORY Record right now. Trying everything he can to get by. Looking inside, looking outside. Once again, through the S's. Around the sweeper, onto the back straight. That's first and second. Third and fourth, right behind them. Closest battle I see right now is first and second. The battle of the Corys. They race together all the time. They keep it clean. We won't see any dive bombing here, I hope. We have a really good battle for first place here. That's first, second, third, fourth.
Two minutes left.
Fifth, sixth, all right there. First and second coming down the back straight. There's third down the back, fourth down the back. This is still anybody's race. Anything could happen. Minute and 35 seconds to go. Still the battle of the Corys out front. Dave making up a little bit of time. He was 2.4. That time by, he got 2.3. Taking off a tenth here or there. He's got a minute and 18 seconds to catch the leaders. Here's Cory and Cory across start finish. Cory Record looking for it all around CORY Parsons. Cory staying inside, not giving him any space. Getting a little bump there. Now
1 minute left.
Now we have Dave right behind Corey Record coming down the straight across start finish. First, second, third. Right there together through the S's. Around the sweep, we're onto the back. Just 30 seconds to go. Corey Parsons getting a little bit of breathing room. Dave Vera now moving up to second. Corey Record dropping to third. The white car heading around the sweeper. That's your leader. The green car now getting back by Dave. That's Corey Record. Coming across the line in second. Just 10 seconds to go. Top three, Corey Parsons, Corey Record, Dave Vera. They are all right together. Corey's got himself the
Chad
leading
Pete's
room,
done.
but Corey Record
Troy
and Dave
Shepherd
Vera
done.
right together. Down the back straight. It looks like
Corey
Dave
Parsons
got
done.
out in front. They're diving. Dave takes it right there. What a race. What a race.